where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand.
Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to teach you how to make a pocket. But it's a different way that I just wanted to try. Okay? So I have this, I don't know what size it is. I think it's an 8x8 maybe. Let's see. 7 1/8. Yeah, 7 1/8 by 7 3/4. Okay, so what I was working with was taking it and folding it over, I'd say about a 1/4 inch, right? And I would measure to make sure I have the right amount, okay? So let me get this here done, and we're gonna measure this. So, let's see, it's 2 5/8, I believe I folded it in. Let me see here. I gotta make sure I can see where the paper is. Yeah, 2 5/8. Okay, so we got 2 5/8, and then we're gonna take that and want to fold it over. Okay, and try to get it as even as you can. And since I don't have Mr. Rolly, the back of my scissors will do. Okay. And then, since we have this folded here, right here, I would cut that in half. And just fold it this way. And now you have a flap for your pocket. Okay? Instead of gluing it on the page like this, you can take it and flip it and put the page in between here, and then when you turn, you have a pocket here, and you have a pocket on the back of the page that you can slip stuff into. Okay? You can use Velcro for a closure here, and this is going to drive me bonkers because it's not even. So you can use Velcro here, or you can use double-sided repositional tape, a magnet. You can use whatever you want. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so, hit the red subscribe button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. Go make something pretty today. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Remember, you are enough. And bye-bye for now.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand. Our artistry is wild.